Hello and welcome. This is Yelnata Bhattrai from Single World News. For the first time in US history, a former president surrendered to law enforcement and was placed under arrest. Donald Trump's arraignment Tuesday thrust the US criminal justice system into dramatically new territory, testing the durability of courtroom rules and legal procedures that apply to all Americans, this time the 45th chief executive of the nation. In an indictment unsealed Tuesday, Bragg charged Trump with 34 felony counts for falsifying New York business records through a catch and kill scheme designed to conceal damaging information and unlawful activity before the 2016 election. Trump, appearing before Judge Joan Merchant, pleaded not guilty to each of the counts. The crux of the case centers on $130,000 in hush money payments that Trump's then-fixer Michael Cohen made to adult film star Stormy Daniels. Prosecutors also outlined a $30,000 payment to a former Trump Tower doorman who claimed to have a story about a child Trump had out of the wedlock. The later two payments were facilitated by American Media Inc., which owns and operates the National Enquirer tabloid. Trump, 76, was arraigned on Tuesday in a Manhattan courtroom, becoming the first president in US history to face criminal prosecution. His lawyers have denounced the indictment as a politically driven witch hunt perpetrated by District Attorney Alvin Bragg, a Democrat who ran for office on a pledge to prosecute the former president and whose campaign was funded largely by billionaire activist George Soros. Mexican President Andrés Manuel López Obrador has decried the prosecution of Trump, arguing that US Democrats are using the legal system to block a political opponent from being elected. This is completely anti-democratic. Why not allow the people to decide? If you want to know the latest details regarding this particular news, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Stay connected with us. Keep supporting.